the side.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
Soda on the side.
Now let it rain. Now clear it up. Welcome back to Weekend Smile, everybody. Sat the Soup is in the building, and they're showing us their Jamaican version of cup soup. Ron Rowe, their CEO, is here to share with us some more. So welcome, Ron. Good morning to you.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
All is good.
Sat the Soup. I mean, what goes better than Saturday and soup, especially right here in Jamaica, don't?
Yes, it's a great thing.
I'm looking at the packaging, and we're accustomed to a particular kind of cup soup here in Jamaica, but I've never seen this before, and I'm wondering, am I not shopping at the right supermarkets? Because first and foremost, this would have grabbed me based on the packaging alone. I'd be like, what's that? I have to get that. But tell me the story about Sat the Soup, though.
Okay, so first of all, you're just talking about the labeling and the colors. Mm-hmm. Well, I have this graphic artist that works with me, BJ, and he can literally get into my head. So he is the one. All of this is all credit to BJ.
Mm-hmm. What we're seeing, the visuals.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Now, Saturday Soup has been a journey for me. It started during COVID. Mm-hmm. I was listening to the news and I heard that cup soup was short.
Our journeys, hey.
So we thought and we said, you know what, we're going to develop our own soup. Mm-hmm. Actually, we thought that we'd bring some to sell. And then we said, no, Jamaicans, we always drinking this little salt broth. Why are we doing that? Mm-hmm. So I said, you know what, let me just create a Jamaican blend cup soup. So go ahead.
You know, we take soup seriously in Jamaica, you know. So if you say you're creating something for Jamaicans, especially by Jamaicans, it has to hit all the right spots.
Oh, believe me, I know. It was very challenging. Mm-hmm. And to make it even more challenging, it was during COVID, so we couldn't travel. Mm-hmm. So we had to be sending formulas and blends by DHL, different express mail to get the blend. But we were blessed and we got it. We introduced it during COVID. We had stopped, and late last year, I decided to start again. That itself has its own story. Mm-hmm. I was reflecting on my life, and I realized that there was a life's ambition that I had. And that ambition is to feed a lot of people.
I know.
And so I was praying and I asked God, you know, hey, are we not going to do this thing? And he said, but Ron, we did.
We already started.
We started. You're the one who dropped the ball.
Pick it up, Batman.
So I picked it up.
Mm-hmm.
I picked it up and we brought it and we've been distributing it and it's been doing well.
Yeah.
Let me finish.
Yeah, go ahead.
Quickly. Because we didn't do this. It was not by design. What happened in us blending it, we actually came out with a formula that's 50% less sodium than cup soup.
Check.
So we have 680 milligrams of sodium, and our competition has like 1,100, 1,200. We also have fiber in our noodles. So they have fiber, we have peppers.
Well, we're here now promoting Sat the Soup, not compromising on flavor and quality and taste and all of that, nutritional value, but also still providing something that's affordable, because for a lot of us, this is all we can reach in hard times. And I can attest to the sodium, because my mom, she is, you know, hypertensive, so she's not supposed to have it, but she loves our cup soup. Have to stop her with the cup soup. So what you're telling me now is that I can give this to mommy because you're saying less sodium, so this is good for her.
Yes, so anyway, we're doing this soup, but then now we also want to give back. Mm-hmm. So we've decided that for every case of soup we sell, we're going to give a cup to the needy. Mm-hmm. And we're hoping that the Jamaicans will buy into this philosophy. It's going to be a philosophy for the business. So going forward, every case that's sold, we will donate a cup to charity, to the various big charity bodies. So that is our mission.
Any idea yet of those charities that you want to give to, or you're still trying to?
Well, we've been giving to Father how long. We're going to give to Food for the Poor, any well-established charity. We will organize with them and have them distribute it for us.
Right now I see you only have the chicken flavor. Any plans to build out on the offerings in terms of the different flavors that you'll have?
Sure. So we have already mastered the blend for our Oriental hot and spicy. That's going to be real nice. We have a fish tea blend coming as well. And of course a vegetable.
You know which one we want?
Which one?
A manish water. You see when you reach a manish water?
You and all that Jamaica. I'm just not sure yet how the manish water will work.
We're gonna work it out. We're gonna work it out. Can I open one and we try this?
Sure.
All right, let me see. Because normally when I open the cup soup, you know,
Smell the flavor.
No, wait. First and foremost, I have a fork. Hello, please. How much time you buy soup and you don't have nothing to drink it with? This coming like when the corned beef key drop off, but this time it's inside, so the key can't last. It can't last. What's this here?
Pepper.
Pepper, because I like a little spice in my soup. And this is your regular seasoning flavoring.
And if you want to add
and then I have
peas.
My corn and peas. So I pour all of this out. You know what? I'm gonna just get into it right now. And just all right. Add my corn, my peas, my carrots here. I like a little spice. I'm gonna put a little of that in there too. And then my flavoring here. Oh gosh. All right. Here we go. All of that. I just love the idea that you have incorporated a fork in this thing.
Everyone loves it.
Oh my God, this is amazing. Because this is on the go. I'm on the go. I need to grab something real quickly. It's easy for me to just grab a cup of soup because I know it's all in one. All right, ready for me? Ready for me. Jesus God. I mean, no lunch at dinner, so breakfast, dinner, nothing. This will be it. How long do I let this sit before it's ready?
5 to 7 minutes.
5 to 7 minutes? All right, guys, check me back in 5 to 7 minutes. So let me taste the water. So you said this is available at all your major supermarkets?
Major supermarkets, major wholesales. We're in Sovereign, Lushusa, Mega Mart, Masters, Chais in Montego Bay. So we're...
Gone to Mandeville yet?
Yeah, no, Mandeville. No, we're not in Mandeville.
Not even Mandeville yet.
Soon get there.
Plans to distribute overseas?
That is our long-term goal.
Long-term goal. All right, before we go though, I feel like we should have an Oprah moment right now, guys. Remember when Oprah was giving away cars? When me show me soup, when I better catch you now. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. It's Ron. Thank you for being here with us. Saturday Soup, CEO. We'll have more on Weekend Smile right after this, but catch this. Wanna now catch me soup? Come, you get a soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
Nobody now catch me soup.
Chicken noodle
You